Welcome to Freelance Sprint from Scratch Challenge. You have now entered 2021 and by joining the Freelancer Sprint from Scratch Challenge, you have made sure that this is going to be an exciting journey. Over the next 10 videos, you will receive a daily video with a task. This task will help you to launch your freelancing career and help you set up system that bring you result. If you have joined the challenge, you definitely want to freelancing. You want to work independently. You want to work on own terms. You want to work with the people you choose to work with. You want to find your own client and earn more money. The Sprint from Scratch challenge will help you to do exactly that. This challenge will allow you to turn your freelancing idea into freelancing career and your freelancing dream into a freelancing reality. Now you have one question looming over you. What should you freelancing in? When you beginning with the idea of freelancing, it can be difficult to know which skill you possess and which skill you can get paid for. This means you don't know where to start at all. But the thing is, you already possess the skill that can make you money and turn you into a successful freelancing. So you should start by writing down the skill you possess that could add value to someone's business or life. The 5 skill mission is where you start by identifying 5 skills you possess. The list can be longer than 5, but make sure you have at least 5. Just join them all. My list when I considered freelancing would look something like this. When I started freelancing, I focused on the 2 skills. I was best at content writing and copywriting. I started my freelancing career by writing content for articles, websites and media kits. With time, I started incorporating other skills into my work to create new, more valuable offers. So now write down at least 5 skills you possess. This could be writing, graphic designing, web designing, development, app development, running SEO, running ads, virtual assistant, etc. Make sure you fill at least 5 skills. Now think about it. Which of these skills would interest people the most? Which of these skills would people find value in? Which of these skills would people say pay for you? Think about this and shortlist the top 1 or 2 skills from your list of 5. Once you have done, respond in comment. I would love to see what you are up to. Trust me, once you do this right, you will know exactly how to find your first client by 10 days. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Thank you.